How to develop film using the Bushwick Community Darkroom Caffenol kits. In each kit, you will receive step-by-step instructions, a resource list for items that are not included in the kit, pre-measured vitamin C and washing soda packets, and a bag of coffee. Our first step is to brew our coffee by just pouring it in a beaker with 500 milliliters of water. And stirring until fully dissolved. Next, we can pour our pre-measured vitamin C and washing soda packets into the beaker and stir until that is also fully dissolved. Our developer should be about 68 degrees. Now we can get our stop bath and fixer ready in our beakers. We are going to pour our coffee mixture into our tank and agitate for 1 minute. Then we will only need to agitate the tank for 10 seconds every minute. The full developing time is 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, we can pour out our developer and pour in our stop bath and agitate for 1 minute. Once that minute is up, we can add in our fixer and leave that in for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes are up, we can take out our reel and start our washing process. We are going to leave our film in running water for about 15 minutes. Once our 15 minutes are up, we can grab our reel and take our film out. And hang it up to dry for about 25 minutes. After the 25 minutes are up, we can take out our film. And then we are done.